Ghee is low in lactose, high in vitamin A, D, E, K2, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, butyric acid. And that is great for a human body. Moreover, ghee has a high smoke point of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, so it doesn't burn easily like other fats. But how to safely incorporate ghee in our daily routine? Hi, I'm Dr. Vikas Sangotra and welcome to Eblosis, your place for ancient Ayurvedic wisdom in modern life. Today, let's uncover the incredible benefits of ghee and how you can incorporate it into your daily meals to enhance both taste and health. Ghee is a unique quality called Yogvahi. In Ayurveda, ghee has very unique capabilities called Yogvahi. This means it has ability to absorb the active constituents of herbs and other food articles into it without losing its inherent qualities. This makes ghee a powerful medium for infusing the healing properties of herbs or foods, making it an ideal material for cooking. When ghee is processed with herbs, it imbibes the beneficial properties of those herbs, making your food even more nourishing and therapeutic, but at the same time provides its own healing properties. This is why ghee is often used in Ayurvedic practices with herbs to enhance its healing qualities, making it not just a cooking fat, but a powerful tool for health. Here is how you can add ghee to your daily routine. So number one is in cooking and frying. Yes, ghee has a high smoke point as we have discussed, so making it a perfect for saute, stir frying and deep frying without breaking down into harmful compounds. You can use ghee in place of other cooking oils or butter for preparing vegetables and grains. Whether you are cooking lentils, vegetables, or making a curry, a dollop of ghee can enhance the taste while providing nourishment. Number two, you can use ghee in your morning routine. Start your day by adding a teaspoon of ghee to a small cup of warm water or herbal tea. It aids in stimulating the digestive fire, that is Agni, setting the tone for a productive day ahead. So ghee with warm herbal tea in the morning helps flush out toxins and rejuvenate the body. So you can also add ghee to your morning smoothie for an extra energy boost. Number three is on your toast or parathas. Instead of a butter, spread ghee on your toast or warm parathas. Ghee adds a rich aromatic flavor, turning your simple meal into a wholesome treat. It's also perfect topping for your pancakes, waffles, and even porridge. Number four is in rice dishes and soups. A spoonful of ghee can transform plain rice into a flavorful and nourishing dish. Simply stir in some ghee with your rice or add it to your favorite soup or stew. The added ghee makes the meal more satisfying and support digestive health. Number five, in baking. Ghee can be used in baking as a healthier substitute for butter. It works well in cakes, cookies, and muffins, giving a rich texture and flavor. It also provides beneficial fatty acids and vitamins to baked goods. Number six is for vegetables and grains. When cooking grains like quinoa, rice, or oats, or sauteing vegetables, add a little ghee for richness. Not only does it enhance the flavor, but it also improves the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins from the vegetable and grain. Number seven, as a salad dressing. For a different twist, use a ghee as a base for homemade salad dressings. Mix a ghee with lemon juice, herbs, and spices to create a tangy, flavorful dressing for the salad. You can also add it to the roasted vegetable for more savory touch. And number eight is for quick energy. If you feel low on energy, take a spoon of a ghee on an empty stomach. This provides a slow burning source of energy and helps nourish your body throughout the day, keeping you energized and more focused. Number nine is as a pre-workout boost. Yes, this is also very important. Having a small amount of ghee, that is 5 to 10 ml before a workout, can provide sustained energy due to its healthy fats. It also helps balance the body's dosha, improves strength, post-workout recovery, and stamina during physical activity. Number 10 is in Ayurvedic remedies. Ghee is used in Ayurvedic practices for its healing properties, so you can mix it with herbs or spices like turmeric or a black pepper for additional therapeutic benefits. This can support the body in various ways, from enhancing digestion to improving skin health. Number 11 in hot beverages. Ghee can be added to hot beverages like herbal tea, milk, or coffee. This not only enhances the flavor but provides a soothing effect on the body and aids in improving digestion. So ghee isn't just another cooking fat, it's a powerhouse of nutrition, flavor, and health benefits. Now that you know how to incorporate it into your daily routine, which method are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Eblosis for more health and wellness insight. Yes, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. So I see you in the next video. Lots of love to the beautiful souls out there. Namaste.